Want to create a website using AI? Here you can create it too. Let's begin. Open a browser and search for Gemini and open it. After open it, write a prompt and give it prompt. It gave HTML code. Copy it. Copy this code and go on new. Search for Infinity Free and open it. Click now. In your case, you want to create a new account. In my case, I created it before. Then I click on add domain and click on subdomain because it is free, and give my domain name like and click on add domain. It will direct to dashboard page. Click on file manager. Click on new file and create a new file as name index.html and click on create and edit. It gives some error, so go back to your dashboard and click on this button, recreate directory. After it, click on file manager again and click on new file and create a file as index.html and click on create and edit button, and the editor will open, and paste code over here and click on save button and go on new tab. Search for your domain. This is your website. You can change this by giving a prompt again on AI as you want. If you want to create a this header attractive and hero section or more attractive, then go on AI again and give a prompt and click on submit button. It create again HTML code, copy it and paste code again on your editor and click on save button and go on again your site and refresh it. Here is your attractive website now create. You can add your image on here by going to file manager and click on save and close button and upload your image. Open and copy this name or change this name. Go on index.html and found image placeholder. and click on save button. Go on your site and refresh it. The image will appear on here.